Hello guys, I'm just sharing my FabFitFun that I just received this month. So this is their fall special. And as I stated, if you read my blog, they are seasonal. So you get a box in the summer, in the winter, well in the fall, in the winter, and in the spring. And look at how beautiful the box is on the inside. And then that's a thing too. I always feel bad about tossing away the box because the boxes are so well designed and so well made. There's even people doing DIYs. Sorry, I know I keep looking the other way. Doing DIYs with the boxes to recycle. So they give you a magazine that kind of explains all their products in detail. The thing I see here is their pumpkin spice. Includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kit, which one being a sea salt soak, a sugar scrub, a mud mesquite, and a massage butter. So can't wait to try that. And this is a multivitamin mask. Look at that. I have a product that's called Glow Milk. That looks pretty cool. I always get so excited when I get my box because if it wasn't me receiving these items, I particularly don't shop a lot for makeup because I'm so used to being spoiled and having some kind of subscription that gives me things for me to try. So I always get super excited when my box comes in. This is a Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, Color Safe Natural Lab from Tokyo. What's this? I have a mason jar hydration kit. Look at that. It's pretty cool. I don't know exactly what that is, but let's open it and see. Oh, that's cool. So it comes with a sleeve. Oh, and it's like, it is a mason jar. That is so cute. And I actually needed one of these because I've been cleansing before my surgery and I drink so much water. And look, this is pretty nice. Say hi to my husband. A throw. Let's open it up. Today I am in Pennsylvania. My husband and I have a vacation home, a family vacation home that belongs to him and his family, which look at how beautiful. We've been enjoying all summer and now fall long. I love the colors, the light blush and the neutral color that it's in. This is really cool. It's like a poncho. Look at that. Oh, this is pretty cool. And there's more. This one. Damn. Oh, it's for your hair. So there's a styling cream and a finishing cream for your hair. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to try it. And then there's a vitamin E infused cuticle oil that is called NCLA treatment. So rich. How nice is that? And that's everything in my box. So let's take a look in total all the items I got. With the cup. I mean, look at all these full-size items that I got. I mean, this is awesome. And you're not gonna go wrong. They normally give you an option to add stuff in. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, depending on the season, I can say. But I'm so happy with my fall items. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you go to my blog, which is on www.howtowithmillusions.org. There you'll see all my blogs, all my YouTube videos are there. Everything I recommend is going to be there in the stores that it's available. So if you have any questions, you can ping me on my Instagram at Mila Grullon, or my business Instagram, which is How To With Millusions, and I am also on Facebook with How To With Millusions or Milagros Grullon, which is my personal Facebook. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see your fall box.